Andriy placed the electronic drum kit that he designed and made with his own hands.
It consists of a controller, and these pads over here. There are piezo pickups inside every pad. They react to the force of the strike. The harder I hit the drum, the louder the sound will be.
Creating this drum kit took Andriy 4 months and cost him only around $35. The young engineer is now working to refine his project.
There are many electronic drum kits, but they are professional and very expensive. My version is much cheaper, and it was designed so that everyone could play the drums.
Alexander, a creator of 5 different IT projects, is currently developing a fitness tracker.
We have a pulse sensor, which should be attached to your finger, and your heart rate will be detected. It has an accelerometer. We plan to start receiving data and predicting neurological diseases of those wearing our device.
A range of health indicators are being analyzed by a software for smartphones developed by Tatiana.
It's based on the data taken from a phone screen, as well as an accelerometer, which is in this phone.
All of these creations are being prepared to be presented at the annual Elliott Forum held with the support of the European Union.
At this forum, young university or school students, as well as those who graduated or still study in other educational establishments, can present a practical idea or an invention, which can later be brought into mass production using the connections that we made at this forum.
While the product still requires some polishing, the young engineers are hopeful that someday their ideas will truly benefit society. Reported by Anastasia Volkova for UATV.